Let's talk about spending smarter, not harder. There are some expensive items out there that seem like splurges, but when you think long term, they're totally worth it. Today, I'm giving you the lowdown on 11 expensive things that are worth every single penny. 1. A high-quality mattress. You spend nearly a third of your life sleeping, so why not make it truly restorative? A good mattress isn't just about comfort. It's an investment in your overall well-being. The right mattress can improve the quality of your sleep, alleviate back pain, support proper posture, and boost your energy levels throughout the day. It's a simple yet powerful way to transform your health, mood, and daily productivity. 2. Noise-cancelling headphones. Whether you're on a long flight, working in a bustling cafe, or simply trying to block out distractions at home, noise-cancelling headphones are worth every cent. By immersing you in clear, uninterrupted sound, they help you stay focused, relax, and even improve your overall productivity. For anyone who values peace of mind and quality listening, they're an absolute must-have. Point 3. A reliable laptop or computer. Whether you're working on a big project, creating content, or gaming at full throttle, a high-performing laptop can be a game-changer. It doesn't just save you time, it eliminates the frustration of slow load times, lag, and inefficiency, letting you focus on what truly matters. A reliable, fast laptop is more than a piece of tech, it's an investment in productivity, creativity, and enjoyment. After all, in today's fast-paced world, no one has time to waste on outdated or sluggish technology. 4. Premium kitchen knives. Cheap knives might get the job done, but premium knives take your cooking experience to a whole new level. They're sharper, more durable, and designed to handle everything from delicate slicing to tough chopping with ease. With better balance and precision, they don't just make cutting safer, they make it faster, smoother, and far more enjoyable. Investing in high-quality knives transforms cooking from a mundane task into a satisfying craft. Trust me, your fingers will stay safer, your prep time will shrink, and your meals will look and taste better. Your fingers and your food will thank you. 5. Quality shoes. Your feet carry you through every step of your day, so it's essential to treat them right. Investing in quality footwear, whether it's supportive running shoes for your workouts or durable leather boots for daily wear, can make a world of difference. High-quality shoes aren't just about comfort. They're about long-term health, providing proper support, cushioning, and alignment to prevent issues like foot pain, joint discomfort, or even back problems. Don't underestimate the value of shoes that fit well, feel good, and last for years. Your feet, your posture, and your overall well-being will thank you for it. 6. Professional tools. If you're a DIY enthusiast or simply prefer handling household fixes without constantly calling a handyman, investing in high-quality tools is one of the smartest moves you can make. Reliable tools are not only easier and safer to use, but also deliver better results, helping you tackle projects with confidence and precision. From assembling furniture to repairing leaks or building something from scratch, the right tools can save you time, stress, and costly service fees. Plus, they're built to last, meaning you'll have them on hand for years to come. Think of them as an investment in your skills, self-sufficiency, and peace of mind. 7. A well-made suit or dress. A tailored outfit has the power to transform not only how you look but also how you feel. The perfect fit enhances your confidence, highlights your best features, and ensures you present yourself at your very best. Whether it's a sharp suit for work, an elegant dress for a special occasion, or any other well-made piece, investing in quality tailoring is an investment in yourself. These are the moments when first impressions matter most, whether you're stepping into an important meeting, attending a milestone event, or simply wanting to carry yourself with poise and polish. The right outfit doesn't just make a statement, it helps you own the room. 8. High-end cookware. Cheap cookware may save you money up front, but it often wears out quickly, leading to uneven heating, sticking, and even burnt food. Low-quality pots and pans can leave you frustrated, struggling to cook meals the way you want. On the other hand, investing in high-quality cookware makes a world of difference. These durable pieces are designed to last for years, offering superior heat distribution and non-stick surfaces that make cooking easier, cleaner, and more enjoyable. They not only help you achieve perfectly cooked meals every time, but also elevate your entire cooking experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an everyday cook, quality cookware is an investment that pays off in both performance and longevity. 9. A premium water filter system. Clean water is essential for life, and ensuring its quality should be a top priority. A good water filter does more than just improve the taste. It removes harmful contaminants, giving you peace of mind with every sip. It's a simple yet powerful way to protect your health, reducing exposure to chemicals, bacteria, and other impurities. Plus, using a filter is a sustainable choice that helps cut down on single-use plastics. Say goodbye to bottled water and hello to a greener, healthier lifestyle. Whether for drinking, cooking, or even brewing that perfect cup of coffee, investing in a quality water filter is an easy way to elevate your well-being and make a positive impact on the environment. 10. A good camera. Whether you're capturing cherished memories, embarking on a creative journey with a YouTube channel, or pursuing a passion for professional photography, a good camera is an invaluable tool. It doesn't just take pictures, it freezes moments in time, preserves emotions, and tells stories that words can't always express. High-quality cameras open the door to endless opportunities, from snapping stunning landscapes and candid family photos to creating content that inspires and connects with others. While the investment may seem significant, the moments it captures and the possibilities it unlocks make it truly worthwhile, because some memories and opportunities are simply priceless. 11. A gym membership or home gym equipment. Your health is your greatest wealth, and there's no better investment than in your physical well-being. Whether it's a gym membership, a set of home equipment, or even simple tools like resistance bands and yoga mats, prioritizing fitness pays off in countless ways. Regular exercise keeps your body strong, improves your energy levels, enhances your mood, and helps you manage stress. It's not just about staying in shape, it's about being prepared to take on life's challenges with confidence and vitality. By dedicating time and resources to staying active, you're investing in a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. After all, when you're fit and energized, everything else becomes that much easier to achieve. So there you have it, 11 expensive things that are totally worth the money. Remember, these are investments in your happiness, health, and productivity. What's something you've splurged on that was so worth it? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a little spending inspiration. Until next time, take care